STEMKit Conceptual Maths Grade 4. We will cover two-digit divisions today. As an example, we will cover how to divide a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. Let us take 24,750 divided by 66. Two is lesser than 66. So we take one more digit from the dividend. 24 is lesser than 66 as well. 247 is greater than 66. Let us start with that. So we have to divide 247 by 66. We know by now how to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. We hide the last digit of the divisor and the dividend to get an estimate. Here we get the estimate of 4. Let us check the estimate of 4. 66 into 4 equals 264. Since it is greater than our dividend 247, we have to go one lesser. 66 into 3 equals 198. It is lesser than 247, so we go ahead with 3. We write 3 and 198 in correct place. We get 49 and 5 from the dividend. Now we have to divide 495 by 66. We follow the same process. We hide the last digit of both dividend and divisor, or 495 and 66 to get 49 divided by 6. So our estimate is 8. Again, we check our estimate 8 by multiplying with 66. We get 528, but it is more than 495. So we have to go one lower than our estimate of 8. 66 into 7 gives us 462, which is lesser than 495. So we shall use 7. Filling in the numbers, we get the next number 330. To divide 330 by 66, we again go through the estimation process. Hide the last digit of 330 and 66, and we get an estimate of 5. Multiplying by 5, we get the exact number 330. So we have the quotient 375 and remainder 0. The long divisions need a little bit of practice to avoid making mistakes. Practice this in your notebook to see if you get the same answer.